there are two sounds for the letter C. For example, one is K sound and one more is S sound. How? K, S. For example, K is a hard sound, S is a soft sound. For example, if there is A, O and U after C, then the C should be sounded as K. How? For example, cat. Cat. Ka sound or C sound? Sa sound? Ka. Cat. Camel. 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 Right? Cup. Cup. Coffee. Coffee. Cold. Control. Right? If there is A, O, U, dini manam vowels. What do we call? We call it as vowels. Okay. If there is A, O, U after C, then the sound of the C should be pronounced as K. For example, if there is E, I and Y, right? Then the sound will be the sound, C sound will be pronounced as S. S. That's a soft sound. For example, cement. Cement. How do you pronounce it? S. Cement. Okay. What is it? City. It's a sa sound. For example, cycle. But we should not be pronounced as kycle. This is not kycle. This is how? C sound or ka sound? For example, if we use it as ka sound, how do you pronounce it? Kycle. Okay, dini manamu ka sound, dini manam sa sound chedam. Okay, kaisel. Can we say this? Kaisel. Pony. Kaisel cheptama. Kycle. Cycle. Or a cycle. Why? Because there is a vowel sound. For example, how do you pronounce it? How? How? Size. How? Because here's Y and here's E after C. Size. There is no word for size meaning. Okay, there is no meaning for size word. But we have to pronounce as size. That is why here what we are saying, we just adding L. Then how do you pronounce it? Cycle. What is that? Cycle. Here there is what given. K sound is pronounced. C sound should be pronounced as K and S. K. K. S. Car. C-A-R. How do you pronounce? Car. How do you pronounce? Car. C-A-M-E-L. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R. Container. C-U-B-S. Cups. For example, how do you pronounce this word? What is that? Cyclone. How do you pronounce? Cyclone. For example, if I remove L. Cyclone. How that? Cyclone. But still we are pronounced as ka sound here, okay? Yes, sir. Cyclone. For example, how do you pronounce it? Celebrate. How? Celebrate. So you are in 4th class, that's why you have to learn it very well, okay? It is very important for you to understand the sounds what we are pronouncing, okay? How do you pronounce it? Celebrate. Celebrate. Sa sound or ka sound? Why can't we say calibrate? Because it's a soft sound. C after E is there, right? Vowel. So that is why we are pronouncing it as celebrate, but not calibrate. Right? For example, How do you pronounce it? Company. Sa sound or ka sound? Ka sound or sa sound? So did you understand that if there is a O, U and A after C, what is the sound? It will be a ka sound. If there is E, I, Y after C, how do you pronounce it? Sa. You understood it, right? For example, I have one more question to you ask.